Okay, diversity and divide. It's a question that is really accurate and very in tune with what's happening right now. We live in a world of polarity, of division and separation. To define myself, I need to be separate than you. And what I found really key in me coming to my center and moving away from separation and polarity and division and differences is the acceptance actually of differences. Accepting that the other is different is key in moving into oneness, which is interesting because what we would think is like, well, oneness means we're similar. And actually, no, oneness means we're each a component of one big whole, a whole with double H, not whole as a whole, but could also be like a whole, meaning that we are part of different puzzle, and our differences is what makes our harmony and our oneness. So if I'm not in a judgment over how this whole should look like, or if I'm not in a judgment on how similarities and differences are opposing, and understanding that it's actually the same. Being different is the same as me being the same. Let me clarify this. As a woman, I have within me the polarity of masculine and feminine. Throughout my life, I was feeling mostly the separation between masculine and feminine. I was feeling the separation between my identity as Palestinian Israeli. Even when I was living in Brussels, I had one foot in Paris. Wherever I go, there's always this polarity, there's always these two places that I needed to be, or two personality that I had, or more, and juggling between them, and understanding that all this juggling is part of a wholeness. Move out the judgment that I would have on me not being able to decide on one side or another, and actually finding a space in between this polarity, a space in between this division to come together. And for me, that this division and this difference are connected to belonging. So once I find my belonging within me, the division outside or the differences that I perceive outside are not opposing to where I belong. Not sure this makes much sense, but that's what came. And I see that Fabrice is here. Thank you. No, I went like